Alright guys, let's talk about EOS. Now EOS, like most cryptocurrencies out there today, has been tanking. And EOS has been falling from like $6 all the way down now to about $1.10. Now I do see this crypto going much lower, but there is a possibility that it can turn back around. So let's look at the chart right now, guys, and see how you guys can take advantage of it, even for myself. Because I'm looking at how I'm going to be trading this or not even getting into it. But I'm looking at this as another short position. So if you guys are shorting this crypto or looking at going long, I'm looking at going short because I think that this is going to be a temporary high. So if we just go to the weekly and we look at this crypto, you can see, like, I'm just from my previous other charts, my other videos. So I'm going to show you guys in a bit. It has been, doing some really nice pullbacks, but ultimately heading down lower. I think that the gold price, before anything else changes, is this massive support that happened back in 2018, I believe. I'm sorry, 2017. So in 2017, they made these lows over here at the 64 cents, stuff like that. So basically like a 50% haircut at its current price right now. Now, I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, wow, it's going to happen. I'm like, if you haven't taken profits off these massive rallies early on, then that's a big issue. Hodling, I don't like that much because people think that all these cryptos are going to go much higher. I don't think that the majority are going to go back up. I think they're going to, keep going down lower and not come back at all. Now, it could be wrong, yes. But, I'm saying as a trading perspective that you should have been exited, taking your profits. But no, I don't think many have people taking profits. A lot, I think many are taking losses. So, but I do see that the gold price, guys, the overall price before anything massive happens, even lower, that it might go up a little bit, but I think the overall direction is lower down to the 50-cent level. That's really my price prediction, guys. 50 cents. I see it going much lower. If you, any other thoughts about that, just let me know in the comments below. But, there is some good news if it goes down to the 50 cents level. Since this cryptocurrency is on so many people's watch lists, and I've been following this cryptocurrency very extensively, making videos about it. Like our first video, November 16th. I talked about this video, I talked about this cryptocurrency getting 370,000, on people's watch list. And since then, I made multiple updates about what I'm doing with this crypto. So keep you guys, on the same path if you guys want to or not. And even now, it's gone up since then, since last year. I think 15,000 people's watch list, still on the top 100, ranked number 45, with about a 1.1 billion market cap. So this is not like a unknown cryptocurrency, very popular cryptocurrency, gaining more popularity. So hopefully, if it hits that 50 cents level, it might spike up higher, and it's probably a good buy limit zone. But I just see it heading down there. Also, when you guys want to look at this cryptocurrency, check out the market, see if you guys can trade it or hodl it. It's on multiple platforms, top 100, pretty much. Here's the website, guys, eosnetwork.com. And if you check that Twitter page, get all the news and stuff like that. Well, guys, that's my input about this cryptocurrency. If you want to learn more about what I do, about how I trade, check out my website. I got market stuff on there. I got indicators and Forex. So you guys want to try that out, please do. Here's some of the indicators. The economy stuff. But please subscribe to the channel, guys. Help me beat the YouTube algorithm. Get my channel out there. Get my videos out there. And I'm happy you guys made it to the end. But please drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.